Hey, what's going on everybody? My name is Eric Hudson. Welcome to my video. Super happy this time. I want to go ahead and share with you guys. I just recently made my purchase and I bought an Airlift suspension performance for my 2017 Honda Accord Sport Sedan. I made this video real quick so you guys will see exactly what to expect when you guys make your purchase. Hope you guys enjoy it. Check it out. Okay guys, we have here the Airlift 3P and 3H manifold management system, which is made heavy duty material. Also we have the Airlift 3P and 3H controller with full color, and I repeat, full color display, which you are capable in syncing your phone via Bluetooth, high technology. Also we have the plug and play wires, straps, screws, fuse, hardware, zip ties, and etc. And can't forget, you also get your tubing cutter, very precise. Yep, real nice. Okay, so this is a 4-gallon Airlift tank, and the style that I decided to go with is the aluminum polish. It has 7 ports. 4 in the back, 1 in the bottom, and 1 in each side. The minimum PSI for this tank is 200 working pressure, and it's been tested up to 400 PSI. I like this particular tank because it's clean, has that polished look, and I think it's gonna go well with the setup. Okay, so in this particular box, we have the water drain for the air tank, also some fittings, the compressor harness, the water trap drain hose, and this time around I decided to go with the 1/4-inch airline because I'm thinking of running aggressive fitment, but there's other options like a 3/8 airline that's available for you. So in this particular box we have the water drain for the air tank, we got some fittings, the compressor harness, and the water trap drain hose. Okay, so in this particular box, we have here lots of goodies, starting with fittings, expander lances, stainless steel lines, some instruction, some stickers, and also for the front, this struts, they bring the camber plates, which they are adjustable. Okay guys, we just checked out recently the front kit. Now this is the rear kit. We got some lots of goodies, some fittings, some damper extenders, some expander latches, some braided stainless steel lines, instructions, and the struts for the rear. Okay guys, being that I'm running 2 compressors, got some straps, screws, fuse, hardware, second compressor harness, and some instructions. Okay, so finally we have here the 444C dual compressor, chrome. Also in this bag we have the remote air filter hardware. Here in this bag we have the compressor mounted hardware with some fittings, and in addition we have some stickers and some instructions.